So student, all of you know that how is class is going on. So I want to say something that mm, you should be online first thing, and as our staff said to me that you have to give some homework and some exercise or some assignment to complete, because I said that I said to them that there is no need to just give any homework, but they said to me just they we are just there are only 4 periods per day, so then after then they will go free, so that's why they are giving this kind of assignment or any activities or homework. So you should complete your homework, and after then bring that homework to after coming at the time when you come to campus. So you should bring that assignment or some homework, so you may get attendance. Okay. And what yeah, inshallah I will send the video. I will send every kind of anything. It's a test book or in PDF, inshallah. And if any updates, so I will send you. So you should all of you should subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. That's it, no need to share or like. That's this so you so you should subscribe to, you can get easily, and if you subscribe, and you can get easily all the videos whenever I will upload. So inshallah. Okay, that's it. And one more thing, I can speak in Urdu also, it doesn't matter, but this is our first class, so I think that if I will talk into Urdu, said it will be very difficult to understand you, because this is not face to face. Sometimes it will be face to face, so we can easily, sometimes we can talk in also in actions, because the actions speak louder than words. So that's it. So that's why I just use the in English for communication and for speech. That is not a big deal for me. So inshallah, it doesn't matter if you want to talk on also if you can talk in Malayalam. I can understand Malayalam korche ariyo, but I don't know how to speak. I can say something in Malayalam, yeah, that use formal words like how are you, and where are you going, evideka pogunnu, like that. How are you, sugam rahatale. That's it. Inshallah, after coming to campus, you should teach me Malayalam. Okay, that is a big deal between us. So you make sure that after coming to campus, you will teach me Malayalam. Okay, that's it. Clear? Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.